Hi everybody, welcome back. So I am actually going to lunch with my mother today. So I wanted to do 2 different videos for you, and I'm getting ready, so I figured why not film it. A wear test actually for this guy. Oh, you guys, this foundation is fantastic. So it is the Maybelline SUPERSTAY Full Coverage up to 24-hour foundation. You guys. So let me find this. Okay, so the CoverGirl Outlast All Day Stay Fabulous 3-in-1 foundation. This, holy grail, okay, always will be. But this guy is like creeping right next to it. Fantastic. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. So we're gonna wear test this today. So I'm gonna put it on, wait a couple hours, check in again. And then check in a 3rd time right before I take my makeup off. And I'll let you know, and obviously you'll be able to see how it wears. So I think that's it. Let's just get started. Okay, so we are first going to prep our face. I am an oily beast, so I'm actually just using this little sample. I told you guys before, I'm trying out the oil control from MAC, the oil control lotion. I love MAC. I freelance for them, so clearly I like them. But I'm always looking for something that's good for oily girls because I'm oily. And I want to see how much I like it, see if it makes a difference. Because, you guys, I'm just going to be honest, I just really feel like face primers are... I don't know. They're just full of crap. Like, I just don't believe face primers for majority of them. Some of them do work a little bit, but I don't feel like any of them like make or break my makeup. Like, I don't feel like, because I am oily, I don't feel like any of them are like, oh my gosh, this made my makeup stay all day. No. I just feel like it's your skin, it's the foundation. Your skin care underneath is crucial. But you guys know I do love eyeshadow primer. Now, eyeshadow primer is a game changer. Like, once I started using that, I was like, oh, eyeshadow is supposed to stay on your eyelids all day. Okay, I didn't know. Had no idea. So I'm just trying this out, see if I like it for me. If I like it for me, I know I like it for my clients, and then I also know if I like it for you. So I've used this, I want to say 3 or 4 times now, so this will be the 4th or 5th. So we're just going to figure out if we like it. I'm just going to let that soak in a little bit. The SUPERSTAY 24-hour Maybelline foundation. I'm using 120 because I am a little pale right now. Classic Ivory. It just says full coverage foundation up to 24 wear, seamless matte finish, breathable and comfortable, fade and transfer resistant, oil free, doesn't clog pores. Dermatologist tested. Okay, so I know it says matte finish. Let me compare. So the LA Girl Pro, I'm obsessed with this stuff. But it is a little bit too matte after so many hours. So I feel like it is beautiful. It covers your face completely, full coverage, just it leaves your face looking flawless. But I only get about 4-hour wear out of it before I start to look like it gathers right here. And it just starts to look a little bit dewy. So maybe just a little bit too matte because it does start to cake up. But I do love it just for like short time frame situations. But this is more like a satin finish because it's not super matte, but it's not dewy either. It's kind of like that sweet spot right in the middle. So that's what we are going to do. It just has a pump. And please, 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 please take it down your neck. I'm actually just going to use a brush to do it on my neck. 'Cause I don't like using sponge to blend down my neck. I don't know why. I just don't feel like it gets it all the way. So I'm just going to go in with the Morphe M439. cannot stand when there's foundation on my lips. Sorry that this light is in your way and it keeps falling. That is so annoying. So I can't stand foundation on my lips. It just grosses me out. So I'm actually just going to wipe it off. This is just a Neutrogena and makeup wipe. I just don't like it. I used to, this is so embarrassing. I used to put foundation on my lips. Like I would just leave it how it was, but I would cover it even more. And then I would just put gloss over top of it. Do you guys remember those days? Bless you if you do. If you do. Because it was bad. Okay. Anyway. So that's the foundation part. I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my face, and then we will come back and I will show you what it looks like with everything else on, and then we'll go from there. So I'll be right back. Alright, so this is a completed look. I'm sorry if you can hear the rain outside. It is literally pouring down rain. It has been all day. So it is 1:34 right now. So I'm about to head out to lunch with my mother. And then I will be back to check in probably in a couple hours, and then we'll check in again right before I take everything off. Alright, so I will see you in a little bit. Alright, so I'm in to check in. I'm back to check in. And it is 4:37. And we're still looking good. Let me zoom in. We're not oily at all, really. Yeah, and it was pouring down rain. We were out in the rain, obviously, and I walked under the Target sign, and like a huge drop of water like just dripped right here, and I can't even tell. Yeah, this is just highlighter. So we're not oily at all. I'm pretty sure it was like 1:30 when I said it the first time. So it's been about 3 hours, and I haven't blotted. I haven't touched my face at all. So we're still looking good. So I will be back one more time before I take all of this off, and I'll let you know what I think. So it is now 8:33, and it is time to take our makeup off, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, who are you?
Me.
Mina. Can you say hello right here?
Come on.
Hello.
Mommy.
Yeah, you see yourself over there?
Hold mommy.
Yeah, I'm holding you. Alright, so it is still not oily on my face at all. If you zoom in. A little bit dewy, like right here maybe. But that's it. Still looking good. So, we recommend it, right? Right. So, I hope you all enjoyed this wear test. And we'll see you in the next one, right?
What?
Okay. Tell the people bye.
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 Bye. Eyes. The eye together. The eye together.
Put our eyes together.
Yeah.
Ow! Poked me in the eye.
Sorry.
It's okay. You're so dramatic. Oh, you're so dramatic. Are you sleeping? Wake up. Wake up. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. Wake up.
I like it.
I love you. I love you.
My one pick my face.
Can you do it on mine? Thank you. I love it. I love it. Good job.
Mommy,
Yeah.
I want to do it.
This?
This.
No, not that one. How about this? That. Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Mommy, I want this. My money give me
What do you want?
this.
This?
This.
This?
This.
This?
I love that.
It's blush.
I'm got a brush.
Mm-hmm. You put it on your cheeks.
Okay.
Don't do too much.
Mommy go put a face.
Here, put it on my cheeks. Mm-hmm. 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 Beautiful. I love it. Okay, I think that's good. We're done with that part.
Mommy, I want this.
No, that's too much. Here, let's do the other side.
Not my face.
Not your face? Hey, look at me. I love you.